The subject matter of our study this morning is entitled the Alpha and the Omega. Of course, in the scriptures we know that Christ is referred to as the Alpha and the Omega. But today we're not going to talk specifically about Christ as such, but we're going to talk about an Alpha and Omega of heresy actually. We're going to be looking at some history, some important history, particularly in relation to what has been happening in the Adventist Church. And we're going to see how that history actually is the root and the foundation of a lot of the problems that exist today as far as the understanding about God and what is common today. So we're going to be doing some history lesson, and it's very important that what's happening today, in order for it to be truly understood, it needs to be seen in its historical context. We need to see the root in order to actually understand what the fruit looks like. So this is what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be looking back at history a little bit, examining what has led up to the situation that we have today. Because today, as you understand, there's a lot of debate, there's a lot of controversy over the issue of God and who God is and the Godhead and the Trinity and all these aspects. Well, there's a reason why this problem exists today. So we're going to explore that and see if we can find that together, and maybe it'll help explain things. And once it explains things, hopefully it'll help us to avoid this alpha and omega of deadly heresies. We're dealing with something here that's quite serious. So in the Bible we're told, Solomon tells us that history has a habit of repeating itself. Ecclesiastes 1 verse 9 and 10. He says, "The thing that hath been, it is that which shall be, and that which is done is that which shall be done, and there is no new thing under the sun. Is there anything whereof it may be said, See, this is new? It hath been already of all time, which was before us." And you know the saying, of course, that history repeats itself. Well, here the wise man is the one who said that right here. There is things that repeat. There's no new thing under the sun. In order to understand what's happening now, all we have to do is look in the past. It will help us understand what is happening now. And so this is why we want to see, why is there so much agitation and debate today about this issue? You see, this is not happening by accident. This is not some random occurrence. This is not some distraction that is coming at us. This is actually something that has been prophesied. And there is a reason why that is taking place. So